Right guys, welcome to Birmingham Boiler Fix. I've been asked to have a look at this glow. They got no heating and they got no hot water, and one of the lights is flashing, the customer said. So I've come to check it out, diagnose it hopefully, and repair it for them. And if you enjoyed the video guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. According to manufacturer's instruction, flashing 70 is a faulty air pressure switch. So that's an air pressure switch related fault. Anyway guys, let's dig deeper and let's see what's going on with it. Right guys, it's not the air pressure switch that's faulty on this, it's the fan. The fan is seized, completely seized. Now, I don't think the oil's going to do much on this one. So I think we're going to have to change it, unfortunately. And as you know, the fans on these boilers are, whoa, very expensive. Can't say I didn't try. I did lubricate it and see if I can get it going, but this didn't work. Unfortunately, we're gonna have to get a new fan and change it. Right guys, I had to come back the next day because I had to order the part. No one locally had a fan for this boiler, so I had to order it. Came back, luckily it came the next day. So I've come back to fit the new fan in. Yeah, I know I'm a lazy bugger. I looked at the side panel about 3 times, and I thought I might get it. I might be able to get out without opening it, but eventually I couldn't. So I'm gonna remove these three screws on the side panel, and that'll give me a bit more space to take the fan out. Right, the case is on. So, that's all. Looks good now, yeah. So that's it. Sorted the fan out on it. Change the fan on it. And that's all working fine now, yeah. sulfide. We're going to test the hot water tap out. That's the boiler. Flashing lights, where are they? And that's the one I was flashing. Okay. Now the air pressure switch wasn't activating. The reason it was activating because the fan was failing. Okay. And I was stuck. That's all it is. Right guys, sorted this one out. The fan was faulty on it and it's all working fine. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, Birmingham Boiler Fix.